Hello guys, I want to actually show you how to create a workspace in Microsoft Fabric. So once you are in your home page, you see this icon that says create a workspace. An alternative option is to use the side panel here where we have the workspace icon. Once you click on it, you go down and you can see the create new workspace icon at the bottom here. But I already have some workspace created for different projects, so I'm just going to create from here, and I'm going to name this workspace test demo, and add a description. This is a text demo workspace. And if you are a domain person at your organization, you get to add a assign it to a domain. You can add a image to this workspace. Going to the advanced settings, it actually showed that the owner of this workspace and it's showing the license mode I have. Currently, I'm on trial mode. I'm using a trial version. So another part is the type of semantic model storage format. So this is actually depending on the workload. Typically I would go for a small semantic model if it's a private project, but then if you know the capacity and the workload, you can pick the large semantic model. So for this tutorial, I'll just go with the small semantic model storage format. Then I will click on apply, and here we are in our workspace, and from this workspace we can also manage our workspace by going to workspace setting and make any update to our workspace, add group, or if you want you can even remove this workspace. And also when you are not in your workspace, you can also manage access in terms of who you get to add to your team member and every other people you are collaborating with on this project. Thank you. If you actually find this useful, please like and subscribe.